Hello viewers, welcome back to Gauriram's kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make veg paniyaram and veg uthapam. This is very delicious and also both the recipes are made with the same batter. Before going to the video, if you are new to this channel, please do like, share and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you. First, let's take a kadai like this. Pour little oil. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds to it. When the mustard seeds got crackled, add urad dal. Add 2 tablespoons urad dal. Next, add a pinch of asafoetida powder. After that, add curry leaves. Next, we are going to add chopped onions, 2 cups. I have to fry the onions and chopped finely. Fry it well for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we are going to add beans to it. I have took 2 cups of beans finely chopped. Along with that, we are going to add 2 cups of carrots. Fry it well. No need to add water. You can just fry this for 10 minutes and then add this mix to the batter. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and required amount of salt. Mix it well. After 10 minutes, let's open. Our vegetables is cooked perfectly. Check whether the salt level is correct and then you can turn off the stove. Take idli batter. To this I am going to add the vegetable mix which we have prepared. To this we are going to add 7 to 8 green chilies finely chopped. Next we are going to add coriander leaves finely chopped. Mix the batter well. Our batter is now mixed well. It should be of this consistency. Now let's take a paniyaram pan like this. Apply oil to it. I am using gingerly oil. When the oil gets moderately heated up, pour 3/4 amount of batter to. Now let's close this with a lid. Now let's make vegetable uthapam. For that, take tawa, pour little oil and make a thick dosa out of the batter. Close it with a lid. Now our paniyaram is ready. Let's turn it. Again close it for 2 minutes. Now our uthapam is also ready on the side. Let's flip it to the other side. Let's add idli chili powder on top of the dosa for additional taste. Our vegetable uthapam is ready. Now our paniyaram is also ready. Now our paniyaram is also ready. Uthapam is also ready. Let's serve it. Our veg uthapam and veg paniyaram is ready. If you like this video, please do like, share and also subscribe to our channel. Thank